for elders. Filipinos show high regard for elders, greeting them politely with mano po, pressing an elder's hand to one's forehead. They use honorifics like po and opo to convey respect and learn from elders' wisdom and experience. Disrespecting elders, even through small gestures, is considered rude. So next is close family ties. Filipino prioritize strong family relationships. Even adult children often live with parents, and many families share a large household. This contrasts with some Western norms where independence is emphasized.